Hi grade 7s. Today what we're going to do is we're going to work on our dividing a little bit more, and we're going to divide decimals, but this time the number that's doing the dividing is actually going to be a decimal as well. So I want to show you how to tackle that situation. So really it's kind of the same as what we've been working on. The only difference is you have to do a step at the beginning, because step number 1 is you need to get rid of the decimal. So we don't like it when we're dividing by 0.3. We'd rather just divide by 3. So here's your technique. So first thing you ask yourself, hey, what do I need to multiply to move this decimal to the right so we actually get rid of it, so we get a whole number? And in this case we want to move it one jump to the right, so that's like multiplying by 10. But in order for our division to work out and for us to get the same answer, we need to do the same to the other number. So we need to take 12.4 and we also need to multiply that by 10. So what you end up getting here is 12.4 times 10. It's like moving the decimal one spot to the right. You get 124. And we're going to divide that by 0.3 times 10, which is like moving it one step to the right, which is 3. So here's the cool thing. 12 divided by 4 divided by 0.3 gives me the same answer as 124 divided by 3. So now I'm doing the exact same thing that you've been able to do since like grade 5 and 6 when you were learning long division. So how do we tackle this? Well, put the 3 in front, 124, and we ask ourselves, how many, if you divide 12 up into 3 groups, how many would be in each group? And we know that that would be 4. How many are left over? Well, 4 times 3 gives me 12. 12 minus 12, hey, we used them all. There's none left over. Bring down the 4. Next step, you can see we've got, in this case, 4. Well, if you have 4 and you're dividing them up into 3 groups, how many are in each group? Well, we know that 4, you're dividing it into 3 groups, you get 1. So 1 times 3 is 3, and you can see we have 1 left over. So our answer here, if we wanted, we could write it as 41 with a remainder of 1. We got 1 left over. And we could have seen pretty quickly that, hey, this is not divisible by 3, because 1 plus 2 plus 4 ends up giving us 7, which is a number not divisible by 3. So anyways, I hope that helps you get going. One little step to kind of get things going, but I wanted to quick show you that.